If you want to buy stocks that will benefit from the trade war, here are some things you should look at. In this video, I will show you a couple of elements you should consider when you do a due diligence, when you analyze a company, to see if they will be badly impacted by tariffs or if they will benefit from tariffs. So a couple of days ago, the US administration highlighted a few tariff rules, and a lot of stocks dropped massively. If you rely on a manufacturer in Asia, you are hit massively, and the stocks were down minus 10%, minus 20%, minus 30% on that day. And in this video, I will give you some quick tips so that you don't fall into these traps and you take advantage of the opportunities. In case this is your first video from this channel, welcome. My name is Christophe Nour. I've been investing in the stock market for almost a decade now, and I have achieved a performance of 25% per year. And I think I will take advantage of this volatility. So the first thing when you analyze a company is how did they operate in 2018 or 2016, 17 for the first Trump trade war. So in 2018, you had a trade war with China, and a lot of companies decided, for example, to relocate their manufacturing plants. If you rely too much on China, it will add some uncertainties. So instead of relying on China, like Nike, for example, you go to another country, like Vietnam. And you can get a cheap manufacturing plant, but you avoid this risk. So first point for you, if you want to analyze a company now that has dropped, how did the company react in 2018? The first scenario is they did nothing. They relied on China in the past, and now that they heavily rely on China still. The second point is they relocated partly the manufacturing plant to Vietnam or another country. For example, I'm taking the example with China because that's the easiest one, but you can have the same thing with Europe or Latin America, for example. Okay, or some islands, some small islands. Okay, the third thing is they completely moved away from China and they went back to relocate in the US. Depending on these three scenarios, stocks will move a little or move a lot. It will widely fluctuate. The best case scenario is obviously if the company has completely relocated to the US, because they will not be impacted by tariffs and they will benefit from tax cuts and subsidies. So that's the best case scenario. And the worst case scenario is they didn't do anything in 2018 and they completely rely on China. So if China is hit, they will be hit. Their earnings will be hit. Supply chains will be hit. It will be terrible for the outlook, at least for 2025. Okay, now second thing. By the way, if you're looking for a complete framework to analyze stocks and build a strong portfolio, I have a coaching program. More on that at the end of the video. Now the second thing is how much of the manufacturing is abroad. Simple stuff. You can check if most of the things is produced from the US, from Texas, Arizona, like big states in the US with tax advantages, or it's completely international. What's the split between this? Maybe you don't know. That's your time to do due diligence. Maybe you know it very well. How do you see this? You go to the annual report and you check this. The company is forced by the law to tell you how much of your product is made in China, Vietnam, the Philippines, Bangladesh, or from the US. You can have a good sense. You have this, you have the annual reports, earnings, quarterly reports, you have the earnings calls. You can have a pretty good information. As always, the worst case scenario is you completely manufacture everything from China and international countries. And the best case scenario is you do everything from the US. Okay, now third point, if you rely heavily on international exposure, international countries, how flexible is this country? You have some countries in Europe, I'm taking the example because I know it very well, that are very flexible and will negotiate with peace with the Trump administration. So let me put F for flexibility. So now Trump imposes a new tariff threat, the country will negotiate and it will be good for a couple of weeks, everything will be worked out. And you have some other companies that are much more aggressive with their international strategy and are not flexible at all. Maybe that's not a good sign. Maybe that's bad if your company you're dealing with your manufacturing plants, is not flexible at all, because Trump will not like it, obviously. You have a competition between all the countries right now, and they will fight back. And this escalation is not good for the supply chains. It's not good for all the manufacturing stuff. It's not good for the earnings. It's not good for the outlook. And it's not good for the stocks. So check what happened in 2018 for the first trade war, what the company did. Check what's the exposure to international markets for the manufacturing, most likely. You can also check the employees, if they are mostly abroad, or if the employees of the company are mostly in the US. And you can check if the company they're dealing with is flexible or not. If you check these three things, you can have a fairly good opinion if the earnings will be massively impacted or earnings will be fine. And for the companies that will be massively impacted, my strong guess is for the next quarter, if the tariffs are still here without much negotiation, you can expect earnings outlook to get decreased a little bit. They will cut the guidance. And if these companies are cutting the guidance, they will have a big shock. So they will get a first shock. The stock will drop because of the announcement of new tariffs, and they will get another shock when they cut guidance in a couple of weeks. So maybe you want to shy away from these investments. Please do due diligence, because this is really important. A stock can drop 20%, 30% because they cut guidance. So now you have much more uncertainties in this market. You can expect much more volatility, and you can expect bombs to drop and stocks to drop a lot when they cut guidance in a couple of weeks.
If you like this content, I have an investing coaching program. In this program, you will learn a complete investing process. You will learn how to find good stock ideas, how to properly value stocks, when to buy, when to sell, so that you can build a strong portfolio. Additionally, you will have access to my personalized guidance for long-term results. We will do weekly calls where we analyze stocks together, and you will have access to my private number available 24/7 for full support. If you are blocked, if you have any questions, I'm here to help. Click the first link in the description to get more information. You will get a video that explains how everything works completely for free. No need to sign up, no need for your email address. Just click the first link in the description and I'll see you on the other side.